This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Cadillac XT5 hood. To begin, always make sure your vehicle is parked securely and the engine is completely off for safety. Next, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever inside your XT5. This lever is typically located on the driver's side, low on the dashboard, often near the door sill. Give it a firm pull, and you should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your car. After pulling the interior lever, head to the front of your Cadillac XT5. You'll notice the hood is now slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, usually near the center or slightly to the driver's side, to locate the secondary safety latch. This small lever or tab needs to be pushed up or slid to the side to fully release the hood's safety mechanism. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood completely open. It should raise easily. Next, look for the hood prop rod. This metal rod is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or within the engine bay. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole or slot, usually found on the underside of the hood or the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and reclip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood using both hands until it's about 1 foot or 30 centimeters from fully closing. At this point, you can release the hood, allowing its weight to drop and latch firmly into place. Always double-check that the hood is fully secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.